Welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving deep into the top 7 best maintenance-free motorcycles of 2024. Number 7. Yamaha MT-07. The Yamaha MT-07 is a naked bike that perfectly blends performance with practicality, powered by a lively 689cc twin-cylinder engine that produces 74 horsepower. It offers exhilarating acceleration and nimble handling, making it an ideal choice for urban commuting and spirited rides alike. This motorcycle is designed for low maintenance, with a simple yet effective engine layout that requires less frequent servicing. The MT-07 features an intuitive LED display that presents essential riding information clearly, allowing you to stay focused on the road ahead. Riders appreciate its lightweight design and agile frame, making it easy to maneuver in tight spaces and around corners. Comfort is a key aspect of the MT-07, with a well-padded seat and a riding position that feels natural even during longer rides. The bike's raw and engaging sound adds to the experience, making every ride a thrill. For those seeking a maintenance-free motorcycle that delivers fun and practicality, the Yamaha MT-07 is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for new riders and experienced enthusiasts alike who want a bike that performs well without the hassle of frequent maintenance, priced around $8,199. Number 6. Kawasaki Versys 650. The Kawasaki Versys 650 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a gateway to adventure. Its 649cc parallel twin engine produces an impressive 68 horsepower, providing the power needed for any journey, whether it's a quick city commute or a weekend getaway in the mountains. What sets the Versys 650 apart is its reputation for reliability, featuring a design that minimizes maintenance needs with extended service intervals. Riders love the comfort this bike offers, thanks to its upright seating position and adjustable windscreen, which allows for long-distance touring without discomfort. The LED display adds a modern touch, ensuring you can easily monitor your ride while enjoying the journey. The Versys 650's build quality is robust, with components designed to withstand various riding conditions. Its ability to handle both on-road and light off-road situations makes it a favorite among adventure enthusiasts. For those seeking a bike that promises a minimal maintenance experience, combined with performance and comfort, the Kawasaki Versys 650 is an exceptional choice. It's perfect for riders who want to explore without the worry of frequent upkeep, priced around $8,499. Number 5. BMW F850 GS. The BMW F850 GS embodies the spirit of adventure, merging cutting-edge technology with rugged performance. Its 853cc parallel twin engine delivers a robust 95 horsepower, ensuring that it handles any terrain with ease. Designed with the long-distance traveler in mind, this motorcycle features a low-maintenance engine with long service intervals, making it an ideal choice for those who value reliability. One of the standout features is its LED headlight that provides excellent visibility at night, allowing riders to confidently explore after dark. The comfort of the F850 GS is unmatched, with an ergonomic seat and adjustable suspension that absorbs bumps on the road, ensuring a smooth ride no matter the distance. The bike's build quality is exceptional, utilizing premium materials that are both durable and lightweight. For riders looking for a maintenance-free motorcycle that excels in both comfort and performance, the BMW F850 GS is a standout option. Its ability to conquer various terrains makes it perfect for those who seek to explore the great outdoors with minimal fuss, priced around $13,745. Number 4. Triumph Street RRR. The Triumph Street RRR is a sport bike that combines power with style. With a potent 765cc triple engine producing 118 horsepower, it delivers exhilarating performance and sharp handling, making it perfect for spirited rides. The bike's design emphasizes low maintenance, featuring a robust engine with reliable components that require minimal upkeep. The Street RRR boasts an advanced LED display, providing a wealth of information in an easily digestible format, enhancing the rider experience. Comfort is a priority, with an upright riding position and well-cushioned seat that make it suitable for longer outings. The bike's build quality reflects Triumph's commitment to excellence, with attention to detail evident in every aspect. The sound of the engine is music to the ears, providing an engaging riding experience that resonates with enthusiasts. For riders seeking a maintenance-free motorcycle that offers thrilling performance and comfort, the Triumph Street RRR is an exceptional choice. It's ideal for those who want a bike that feels alive and encourages exploration. Priced around $12,795. Number 3. Suzuki V-Strom 650. The Suzuki V-Strom 650 is a versatile adventure motorcycle that blends comfort, performance, and durability. With its 645cc V-twin engine, producing 66 horsepower, it offers ample power for both city commutes and long-distance tours. The V-Strom's engineering emphasizes reliability, with extended maintenance intervals that appeal to those who prefer to spend more time riding than servicing their bikes. The bike features a clear LED instrument panel, providing essential information at a glance, which enhances the riding experience. Comfort is paramount, with an adjustable windscreen and plush seating that keeps riders comfortable during long rides. Riders value the V-Strom's sturdy build quality, designed to withstand the rigors of adventure touring. The bike's excellent handling and stability make it a favorite among long-distance riders. As you navigate diverse terrains, the V-Strom inspires confidence and a sense of exploration. For riders looking for a reliable, maintenance-free motorcycle that excels in versatility, the Suzuki V-Strom 650 is a top contender. It's perfect for those who want to discover new landscapes without worrying about frequent maintenance. Priced around $9,199. Number 2. Honda CB 500X. The Honda CB 500X stands as a versatile and reliable companion for riders seeking adventure. With a robust 471cc parallel twin engine, delivering a smooth 47 horsepower, it effortlessly navigates urban streets and winding mountain roads. The CB 500X is built for the long haul, with its low-maintenance design and extended service intervals. Riders appreciate the LED monitor, which provides clear visibility of speed and fuel levels, ensuring they stay informed during their journeys. What makes the CB 500X truly special is its comfortable ergonomics, allowing riders to enjoy extended trips without fatigue. The windscreen deflects air nicely, enhancing comfort at highway speeds. Whether you're commuting daily or exploring off the beaten path, the CB 500X adapts to your needs, making it the ideal choice for both new and experienced riders. The bike's build quality is evident, featuring durable materials that stand up to the rigors of travel. Its lightweight design makes it nimble, while the easy-to-handle suspension inspires confidence. The experience of riding the CB 500X is nothing short of exhilarating, as it encourages exploration and adventure. For riders seeking a reliable, maintenance-free motorcycle that offers both performance and comfort, the Honda CB 500X is a stellar choice. It embodies the spirit of adventure, urging you to discover new horizons. Priced around $7,199. Number 1. KTM 390. Adventure. The KTM 390. Adventure is designed for the spirited rider who craves adventure without the burden of complex maintenance. Featuring a 373cc single-cylinder engine that produces 44 horsepower, it offers nimble handling and excellent off-road capabilities. This bike is built for durability, with long service intervals that minimize the need for frequent maintenance. Equipped with a modern LED display, the 390 Adventure provides crucial information in a sleek format, ensuring that riders can focus on their journey. The ergonomics are thoughtfully designed, allowing for a comfortable ride whether you're navigating city streets or tackling rugged trails. The KTM 390 Adventure's build quality is commendable, with components engineered to withstand harsh conditions. The bike encourages exploration, inviting riders to step off the beaten path and embrace adventure. For those seeking a maintenance-free motorcycle that thrives in versatility, the KTM 390 Adventure is an excellent choice. It's perfect for riders who want to explore without the hassle of constant upkeep, ensuring they can focus on the thrill of the ride. Priced around $7,599. Thanks for watching our top 7 best maintenance-free motorcycles of 2024. Which one's your favorite? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content.